Hi, this is Steve Szara from Szara Dental Lab. This is another orthodontic video that shows some of my techniques and specifically on how to carve your brackets off your models to prepare them to make an orthodontic appliance the easiest way and the fastest and the most beneficial. The first method I use takes the longest. It's just by using a standard knife and slowly picking off every single bracket. There's some benefits to doing this that you're going to be very safe. You're not going to cause any harm to the model at all. There's really no chances to screw it up except for it just taking so long. But one of the benefits of removing the brackets allows the orthodontist or general dentist that's practicing orthodontics to send their models out with the braces on. That way it gives the technician a lot longer working time. Instead of getting the retainers back in 1 week, you can allow 2 or 3 weeks, because when you deliver the retainer at that appointment, the next appointment, the orthodontist will remove the braces, and that way the teeth didn't move and they can just snap the retainer right into place. I use after the carving procedure, I use a blade, a number 7 blade, and just really do a cleanup job and get rid of any interproximal bumps or grooves or just the brackets. Sometimes you get brackets that are kind of bulky because of the way the alginate picked up the impression. The next technique is going to be a little bit faster. In this demonstration, I'm taking an E-cutter, and I have another video that shows you how to clean a burr really fast, because this will make a nice smoother finish. I'll leave a link on my technique on how to remove debris from your burr in less than seconds. As you can see, I can clean a burr really fast instead of picking at it. And there's a link in the description. So I take my E-cutter and I slowly remove the brackets. Of course, I'm using an under the vent or some sort of vacuum that picks up all the dust. So this way is much faster, and you can tell that it's definitely not going to take as long to clean the brackets off and basically finishing the appliance, preparing it for the wire bending. The same thing, I go along with my blade, get all the interproximals, picking off any plaster bubbles, and that's basically finished. You're ready to bend your wire. The next technique, you want to soak your model, flatten your model on a model trimmer. I have a diamond wheel, which definitely helps. When you lay your model flat, you're going to take the braces off with the model trimmer and let the model trimmer do the work. Now this is not for the beginner, because you can really screw up a model really fast, and once the brackets are gone and the teeth are gone, well, you're going to make a really uncomfortable phone call. But this is clearly the fastest way to remove brackets. If your teeth are nice and if you have a nice rounded arch, it's real easy. As I'm trying to demonstrate, that I'm showing you that when you carve the brackets off on an angle, you need to make sure that the model is touching the platform. If not, it's going to chatter and it's going to slam the teeth right into the diamond wheel. But by placing the corner of the model, you eliminate any chance of error. Now this method that I'm using right now, I'm going very, very slow doing this. I've done thousands upon thousands of models like this, and I can usually trim the brackets off within seconds. This technique has many benefits, um, but if you're not confident, do not try this because you'll just screw up the model really bad. But if you do have confidence, go for it. You'll definitely see that it's the way to go. My final step is to do a little picking, again with my knife, just to clean up the inner proximals and get ready for my wire bending on the bench. This pretty much concludes this video. If you want to see other orthodontic videos, subscribe to my channel. It's really important. And set your settings so you can be updated on any new ortho videos that I make. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.